Warehouse has several activities which help customers to get their order on time. It starts with receiving material and ends with shipping. There are multiple key activities in between which operate the warehouse. Let's understand all in detail. 1. Receiving. Receiving is the process of accepting goods into a warehouse. It involves verifying the quantity, quality, and condition of incoming goods against purchase orders or shipping manifests. Key steps. Unloading goods from trucks or containers. Checking goods for damages or discrepancies. Comparing received items to the purchase order. Entering receipt information into the Warehouse Management System, WMS. Labeling products for tracking. Example. In an e-commerce distribution center, when a new shipment arrives from a supplier, warehouse employees scan the barcodes on each item and cross-check the received quantities against the original purchase order in the WMS. Any discrepancies, such as missing or damaged items, are flagged and reported. 2. Put away. Put away refers to the process of moving received goods from the receiving area to their designated storage location in the warehouse. The goal is to store items efficiently while ensuring they are easily accessible for picking later. Key steps. Determining the optimal storage location based on size, weight, and demand. Scanning the product and storage location barcode for tracking. Transporting items to the assigned location. Updating inventory records. Example. A grocery distribution warehouse receives pallets of various food products. The WMS automatically assigns storage locations based on product type, such as putting perishable items in refrigerated storage and dry goods on standard shelves. Workers use forklifts or pallet jacks to move items and ensure proper placement. 3. Storage. Storage is the process of holding goods in a warehouse until they are needed for picking and shipping. Efficient storage strategies maximize space utilization while ensuring easy retrieval of items. Storage types. Pallet storage. Goods are stored on pallets in racking systems, often used for bulk items. Bin storage. Small or individual items are stored in bins, typically used for high-turnover products. Bulk storage. Unpacked or large items stored directly on the warehouse floor or in large bins. Example. In an electronics warehouse, smaller high-demand products like smartphones are stored in bins close to the picking area, while bulky items like televisions are stored on pallets in the back of the warehouse, maximizing space. 4. Picking. Picking is the process of retrieving items from storage in response to customer orders. It is one of the most labor-intensive and critical processes in the warehouse, as errors in picking can result in incorrect shipments and dissatisfied customers. Picking methods. Piece picking. Items are picked one by one from storage. Batch picking. Multiple orders are picked at the same time to reduce travel time. Wave picking. Orders are grouped into waves, where each wave represents a specific time or shipping zone. Zone picking. The warehouse is divided into zones, and pickers are responsible for picking items only from their designated zones. Example. In an apparel warehouse, a picker receives an order for 3 items, a t-shirt, a jacket, and a pair of shoes. The picker uses a handheld scanner to locate and retrieve each item from the appropriate bin, which is tracked in the WMS. For high-volume orders, batch picking is used, where several items from different orders are picked in one go to save time. 5. Packing. Packing is the process of preparing picked items for shipment. It involves ensuring that the correct items are packed securely and that all necessary documentation is included. Key steps. Verifying that the correct items and quantities are being packed. Selecting appropriate packing materials, boxes, bubble wrap, etc. Labeling packages with shipping labels, barcodes, and order information. Including invoices, packing slips, and other documents. Example. In an online retail warehouse, after an order is picked, the items are taken to the packing station. Workers verify the items, select the correct box size, add padding to prevent damage during transit, and attach the shipping label. For fragile items like glassware, additional protective packaging is used. 6. Shipping. Shipping is the process of dispatching packed orders from the warehouse to the customer or another distribution center. This process involves sorting packages by carrier, loading them onto trucks, and ensuring that all required documentation is included. Key steps. Sorting packed orders by delivery location or carrier, e.g., UPS, FedEx. Loading goods onto trucks or other transport vehicles. Confirming shipments in the WMS. Generating shipping documentation, such as bills of lading. Example. In a multi-channel fulfillment center, shipping is automated using conveyor belts that route packages to the appropriate carrier's loading dock. For instance, orders destined for international locations are routed to the air freight dock, while domestic orders are sorted by state or region and sent to ground transport. 7. Returns management, reverse logistics. Returns management involves handling goods that are returned by customers either for replacement, repair, or refund. Effective reverse logistics can reduce the costs associated with returns and improve customer satisfaction. Key steps. Receiving and inspecting returned goods. Processing refunds or replacements. Sorting goods for resale, repair, or disposal. Updating inventory records. Example. In an electronics warehouse, a customer returns a defective laptop. Upon receiving the return, warehouse staff inspects the item to confirm the defect and processes a replacement order. The defective laptop is sent to the repair section, while the replacement unit is picked, packed, and shipped to the customer. That's a wrap. You can also check video of warehouse management systems and warehouse job interviews, link in the description. Stay tuned for more supply chain tips and tricks.